Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact assets and tools you need: updated WhatsApp and a sticker pack app. Convert images to 512 by 512 PNG or WebP with transparency. That size ensures WhatsApp accepts them. Once done, move those files into a clearly named stickers folder on your phone so you don't lose track. Open the sticker app and allow permissions. This lets it read your folder. You're beginning the step-by-step process to package and add stickers quickly. Now you assemble the pack inside the sticker app. You tap Add, browse to the stickers folder, and import images one at a time. The app validates each image for size and format as you go. Make sure you include at least 3 stickers and supply a clear pack name and author so WhatsApp accepts it. Once arranged, export or publish the pack. The app will run a final check and prepare the package for WhatsApp to import, which is why you followed earlier formatting steps. Finish by tapping Add to WhatsApp from the sticker app. Confirm the pack appears under WhatsApp stickers and test sending one. If import fails, check the usual culprits: incorrect resolution, non-transparent background, or file size above limits, and reconvert the image. Make sure permissions are granted, then retry. If problems persist, restart your phone and try again, or reinstall the sticker app. That often clears cached permission or validation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.